Hey guys, I'm back with a video, and today I'm showing you some new builds in Glendale, Arizona made by Taylor Morrison. Now they're anywhere from the low 400s all the way up to the high 400s. Let's get it.
The first model I'm showing you today is the Harlow model. There are 3 floor plans available. The one I'm showing you today is the Tuscan model, coming in at $446,000. Now there's a half bath and 2 full baths available. The first full bath has 2 entryways, which I think you will like. We have the Paisley model. This home has 3 floor plans available as well. Today I am showing you the Mission model, coming in at $463,500. There's a shower downstairs and 2 bathrooms upstairs. What I think you will enjoy most is the owner's suite has a long walk-in shower. Sapphire model, coming in at $469,000. It is a 4-5 bedroom model with a 3-4 car garage, and there's no double oven in this model. But please do not fear, all the other models do have that available. Next up, we have the Hudson Model coming in at $485,000. This is a split floor plan, and in the owner's suite, you get a shower and a tub. Best of both worlds. Alright guys, if you made it this far, I think I saved the best for last. This by far is my favorite model, coming in at $536,000. It's the Pinnacle Model. The first floor has the owner's suite for the privacy. Upstairs there's 2 bathrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom connecting 2 rooms together. And if you didn't see, there's a pool. What can you not like about it?